What you doing? What you doing?
What are you doing? Tell him what you're doing.
Did you have fun? Did you dig some dirt?
He was driving.
Did you dig some dirt? Are you professional now? Maybe Louie can hire you in a few years. Hell, maybe he can hire you now and I can have some peace and quiet for a year.
Not until he's completely potty trained.
Oh, shoot. Oh, well, I guess you just got to come back home then, huh?
Okay.
What do you say? Hey, what do you say to Louie?
Let Mom out first. She'll help you out.
Iden, what do you say to Louie?
Say thank you, Uncle Louie. What do you say? Come on. Come on. Thank you, Uncle.
You're welcome.
Good boy.
You're welcome. That was cute. That was cute.